At first glance, the Lectora workspace may feel a bit overwhelming, but look again. You'll see the Lectora workspace is organized into logical groups of tools and functions that e-learning developers need, and many will already be familiar to you. The stage is where you'll build your course. Objects on the stage will appear in your published course. Objects or parts of objects that are off stage will stay hidden, just like on a PowerPoint slide. Here's a tip. Whenever you open a Lectora template, look for instructions off stage. Since items off stage don't publish, you can also add your own notes there for future reference. To the far left of the stage, you'll find the Title Explorer. Think of the Title Explorer as a collapsible outline of your course, with chapters, sections, and pages, and all the objects and media contained within them. You can copy and paste within the Title Explorer, or drag and drop objects from one level of your course to another. Here's a tip. Objects in the Title Explorer stack like layers in many popular graphic design programs, but from the bottom up. That is, an item at the top of a group of elements in the Title Explorer is actually at the bottommost visual layer of that group. One notable exception is inherited objects, but that's a topic for a separate tutorial. The ribbon bar at the top of the Lectora workspace uses a familiar tab interface to organize related groups of buttons or commands. Microsoft Office users will find many of the file management, design, and editing commands familiar. Other ribbon commands, like those found under Test and Survey or Tools, are specific to authoring e-learning. Once you start working in Lectora, you'll develop your own preferred way of navigating between the stage, the Title Explorer, and the commands on the ribbon bar. Now that you're familiar with the Lectora workspace, you're ready to start rocking your own learning in Lectora. Check out the video description below for how to get your hands on Lectora and start creating your own rockstar e-learning.